how to install our Node.js, right? So we'll be following the same thing because I don't want to take more time for of you, right? Just we'll go over here, right? We'll just copy paste the commands. These are the commands, right? So just I'll copy the command, I'll go to the terminal and I will paste it over here. Okay, so just then afterwards what we have to do it, we have to install the Node.js, right? So the version we are going with the latest one, which is the 20. Okay, this is the 20 is the latest version. So if you go back to the terminal, if you click over here, so it will download some keys, right? The key and the packages, depth node source. Okay, it's pulling from there. It's providing all the details. Okay, so then later on, if you check over here, then we already given the mention that we required which version, 20 version. If you required 18, 16, then you can mention instead of 20. So we have gone with the latest. So I'll click it over here. So it start pulling the installing your node, right? So when the node is done, we will validate that this our node installation is completed or not, right? So this is also in the document. This document also I will update in GitHub. So from here also you can do it, right? So let me just validate that is my node is installed or no. Okay, I have npm packages. Let us check. The package manager is fine.